Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to take 48 megapixel photos on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, if you want to capture 48 megapixel photos from the camera app on your iPhone, first of all, we will have to enable this feature. For that, just open Settings, then tap on Camera. From here, just tap on Formats, and on this page, you will find the option of Pro RAW and Resolution Control. Now just enable this option, and after you enable this feature, then go to your home screen and open the camera app. Now from here, you will find this icon at the upper left corner on the screen. Now if you tap on this icon, you will find the option to increase the resolution from 24 megapixels to 48 megapixels. Just like that. And once you do that, you will be able to capture 48 megapixel photos from the camera app on your iPhone. And this is how you can capture 48 megapixel photos on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.